Hi everyone, this is Rebecca. This is my Unit 5 photo shoot. For the first picture, I decided to do a real close-up on the center part of a rose. Um, I kind of wish it was a little bit lighter, but I think it came out really well. For my second one, I decided to do like a close-up on my dog's face, not so much like the body or anything else. I really wanted to concentrate on this area and his nose. Sadly, this picture's my least favorite out of the four. Why isn't it moving? For my third one, I decided to take a picture of a small little branch of leaves from one of the bushes. And, I think it came out really, really well. I think it stands out from the background. And for the final photo, I decided to do a stem with water on it. I tried to concentrate mainly on the raindrops or water droplets. Um I really wish this photo came out better. I kind of think it's a little out of focus, and I think that's the biggest issue, especially with the little raindrops. But I do think it did come out well. And those are my photos. Thank you for watching.